Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect your Canon G3010 printer to your MacBook. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually get the drivers package or software package for Mac on your device. So once again, on your MacBook, search for the G3000 Canon printer driver Mac. From here you just want to get the official drivers and then simply install it just to make sure that basically your Mac is compatible with our printer. Right after, head over to your mobile device. The reason why we need a mobile device is to connect our printer to the same Wi-Fi that our Mac is using. So basically this enables a wireless connection between the two devices if you have basically connected them with or on the same Wi-Fi. You want to download the Canon print, and simply from here, off the get-go, you will be able to simply locate and navigate the settings of your printer. So you just want to, once again, make sure that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi that your Mac device is using. So you just have to agree to this policies right here. Click OK, click Allow. And of course, this can also work for Mac devices out there. Now, turn on your printer, click Search, and then once again, this will automatically pair with your printer. Now, after connecting the device onto your Mac printer, or I mean, after connecting the printer to the same Wi-Fi, you just want to head over to the printer settings or the devices options on your Mac, navigate through printers, click Add Device, and from there you will be able to simply link them together. So I know it's a little bit of a tedious process, but you will only have to do this once, and basically from there you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.